All right, so we just made it home. I just pulled into the garage as indicated by, the garage. And I'll show you what I got. Well, that's how many miles, 285 on the current tank, and we got almost a quarter, so that's actually not bad. 564 miles total to and back. I set that in the garage this morning before I left to get a bumper, a used bumper. But aside from bumper, we got salad, dessert pizza, and pizza. Let me show you the other stuff. All right. Undo some latches. Oh, here we go. So there's the winch. That was the expensive part that we just bought. But there's the bumper. So this is going to end up right there. Woot, woot, woot. Yeah, she's got these nice wings right here. Oh, previous guy put some lights, which will change. It's got the, whatchamacallem, the shackle hooks, I guess you could call it. And then it's got the tow bar and the attachments for the tow bar. I'm saying tow bar, you know what I mean. The pull bar, the bumper hook up to the other bumper so you can travel, whatever. As far as the winch goes, we got this Traveler X 10,000 pound. It's not a synthetic winch, it's a synthetic winch line. That's weird. It's an aluminum body, aluminum fair lead, and an aluminum hook, which will probably get rid of that as well, but that's okay. Wireless remote, 100-foot range. It's got, what else has it got? There's the specs, guys. So she should do good for us. We're gonna find out, but she'll mount right on there. Right in there. The biggest issue is, so essentially what you see here is the only thing the bumper covers, this upper section where the license is mounted, and it wings over. What that doesn't cover is any of this stuff down here. So where these fog lights are, there's nothing there, there's nothing here. This cross member will be showing, and then all this radiator edge stuff will be showing underneath. So what that'll do though is it'll clear this, but this stuff will be wide open, unprotected, because I think this is gonna be like that. It's gonna look different because once this bumper comes off, you're just gonna see that cross member down here, the radiator support, and then you're gonna see the ups, which is currently covered by the plastic. That'll be exposed. So we might end up doing kind of something similar to this bumper and just building it out of steel to match the bumper we just purchased. So we'll see. We're gonna play around with it. I'll probably play around with it with you guys, and maybe you can shoot out some ideas of how to do that too. I don't know. So anywho, 560 some miles for a bumper. Yeah, that's what I just did. You guys have a great night. I'm gonna go cook up this pizza from Papa Murphy's, and not sponsored, although if they want to, I might be interested. And we're gonna have a relaxing evening, so we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna install this bumper shortly, and I'll take you along for that ride, show you what it looks like after and all that good stuff. So adios.